Good evening, I'm Meg Gatto.
And I'm Lee Zurich, a former priest sitting in jail on child sex abuse charges wants his bond reduced.
An attorney for Lawrence Hecker filed the paperwork today saying Hecker isn't a flight risk and should be at home.
Just one day after another accuser of Lawrence Hecker came forward,
and he proceeded to tell us to drop our pants, drop our underwear, and he decided to get on his knees and grope our genitals.
An attorney for the 92-year-old former priest filed paperwork to lower his bond. Bobby Hortzberg saying Hecker never had a proper bond hearing.
There's a requirement that when a bond is set, there's certain factors that the court must consider when setting the bond, particularly whether the individual is a danger to the community and whether the individual is a flight risk. And when this bond was set, none of those factors were explored.
In a motion filed Wednesday afternoon, Hortzberg wants a judge to evaluate Hecker's current $850,000 bond.
He set a bond that without question was designed to hold him in jail. I mean, I've never seen anyone in that building make an $850,000 bond. I've been doing this for almost 17 years. So I just, it seems intentional.
Hecker, who is wheelchair-bound, sits in the Orleans Parish Justice Center. He faces charges of aggravated rape, aggravated kidnapping, aggravated crimes against nature, and theft. Allegations against him date back 50 years. Hecker was removed from ministry by the Archdiocese of New Orleans. Tuesday, Aaron Hebert told Fox 8 he was assaulted by Hecker when he was a 13-year-old student at St. Joseph's in Gretna.
The guilt that I've been carrying from that moment on is that I didn't tell anybody. I didn't tell a soul. I didn't tell my parents. I didn't tell the teacher. And not having told anybody, I just felt that what happened and knowing what happened, what Hecker did, I probably could have saved a bunch of children if I only would have said something. And I didn't.
Hecker has pleaded not guilty to the charges against him. His attorney says he's innocent until proven guilty.
Bobby Hortzberg hopes to go before a judge next week for a bond reduction hearing. He can't say what he hopes to have the bond lowered to that Hecker would be able to afford to possibly get out of jail.